Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. We are still on COTP issue. We are still on COTP issue. I don't know. People are panicking, but I don't know. There is something that is still giving me confidence about this platform. Something is still giving me confidence that this platform is going to be back. This platform is going to be back and start their normal duty back. But I don't know, I'm not too sure of it, but something is telling me that the platform will still come back to function again. Because according to people who started this platform some months back, they said that earlier this year that the COTP experienced something like this XMS issue, and it was resolved within 24 hours. And if you do research very well, you understand that this year 2022, in fact, let me say this month, the people that joined COTP this time around are millions. So, and there was a video that I watched on YouTube also. The guy was saying that he once owned a website that when he tried to do SMS stuff, that the stuff took him like 1 week plus before he could migrate all his customers to a new SMS provider. So, and also, according to research, I understand too that due to the downfall of crypto, some companies are using one reason or the other to delay people from withdrawing their money, all their money. Because, for instance, this COTP now, if everybody withdraws their money once, the platform will crash, the platform will go down. So many companies now uses one reason or the other to delay the withdrawal. So what I'm trying to say is that we should have hope and pray that this platform will come back. So if this platform wanted to crash, let me say maybe it would have been crashed. The platform would have crashed since, but I don't know. And secondly, another thing that gives me confidence, this platform, once you want to make withdrawal, they are taking percentage. They are taking percentage from your money. And secondly, if you want to, whenever they are doing trading, they are also taking their own percentage from the trade they did. They will take their own percentage and send your own to you. And if you want to withdraw, they will take another percentage from your money. They take 1% of any money that you want to withdraw. So I don't think a good company like this will be so greedy to crash with people's money when they are making money from people. I don't know. I'm not too sure of what I'm saying, but I'm just speaking my mind. Please don't misunderstand me. Anything I say here, I'm just talking my mind. So we have been into this mess together. As you can see, me, I have a lot of money here. And I've seen some people who has billions in this platform. So all what we need now is prayers, and we need God intervention. We need God to come and fight for us this particular period, because we can't do it on our own. Because the company, we don't know where they're based, we don't know anything, we don't know much details about them, but we still believe in the company. So I pray that they do come back so that everybody will be happy again. As you can see, I have 2,677 USDT here. So as you can see, what I traded today, I've gotten income from transaction $39,867. So everybody should please calm down this particular moment so that everything will be fine again. So, and also, if this platform wanted to crash, maybe they wouldn't have been sending customer support message. I don't know. I'm just saying my mind. So please, thank you and God bless you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Once the platform start functioning, we will update you immediately. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.